Every July 4th, the sky turns into a stage. The ground becomes a parade. The sea lights up with fireworks, and the nation watches as its defenders put on a show. Today we go behind the spectacle. Air shows, tank parades, rocket demonstrations, and the fireworks that close the night. This is how the U.S. military celebrates independence, and why every salute matters. On land, Independence Day is a show of tradition and discipline. Army parades feature color guards, military bands, and formations that trace centuries of service. You'll often see tanks in these parades, Abrams main battle tanks rolling in formation. They're a visual reminder. Freedom is defended not just with words, but with steel and readiness. Cannon salutes, wreath-laying ceremonies for veterans, and family days on base are all part of the Army's Independence Day, a mix of remembrance and celebration.
University of Maryland Global Campus.
Freedom Fest is here to celebrate our independence, have fun 4th of July. I'm so excited for all the fireworks, the air show, all the concerts.
At sea, the Navy marks the day with pageantry you can see for miles. Aircraft carriers, cruisers, and amphibious ships often host special ceremonies and fireworks displays for sailors and communities ashore. Major ports frequently stage fireworks over the water, creating stunning reflections and a show perfectly suited to the Navy's domain. And when a carrier is in port, the ship becomes a floating city. Parades, family events, and an unmistakable sense of pride. Cinematic in-the-sky Independence Day truly comes alive. The Thunderbirds and other demonstration teams put on precision aerial shows, loops, rolls, and smoke trails that paint the national colors across the sky. Flyovers are also a solemn and powerful tradition. Jets pass silently, or thunderously, over parades and monuments as the nation looks up. From heavy bombers sending a low, bass rumble to stealth fighters slicing through the clouds, each aircraft adds a different voice to the day's chorus. Not every display is for spectacle. Some demonstrations show readiness. Controlled live-fire drills and rocket launcher demos are staged during larger military open houses to illustrate capability and safety. These demos are carefully planned. Spectators are kept a safe distance. The goal is education, to show the tools soldiers use to protect the nation. As fireworks light the sky, remember the cost of freedom and the everyday commitment of those who serve. The celebrations are joy, but they're also a promise that the lights in the sky are lit for a country kept safe. From the roar of a jet to the rumble of a tank, from the flash of fireworks to the quiet salute, the U.S. military's Independence Day is a story told in motion. Which moment moved you the most? The flyover, the parade, or the fireworks? Tell us in the comments. If you liked this deep dive, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more stories of technology, courage, and history